Welcome to the certificate course on Microsoft Office conducted by Department of Commerce. I am Nagratna. So we are discussing on MS Word. Till now we learned how to create resume. We learned elements of MS Word screen. We learned how to create resume. Then we saw how to create posters using various options available in the MS Word. Then we saw how to format your article. Today let us see how to do formatting for a project reports. So in this we are going to see arranging the text, giving page number, then giving page borders, inserting a table and chart from the Excel, use of citation, use of figure content, and use of table of content. All these options we are going to use in today's session. So let's do this by opening Word. So I'm just typing Word. I'm clicking on that Word. You. So your MS Word 2016 will open. It is getting starting. So I'm going to click on new document. What I have done, I have copied few information. So I'm just going to paste that for my project report. So this is going to be my project information. So it is going to be a 15-page document with thousands 6064 words. Okay, select all. I'm going to change the style of text first. I'm going to give it as times neuro. Then I'll give two. Actually my uh, the project is on women education, so it is on that. So I want to remove all this blue color and underline. Since I've copied from net, all these are showing, so I'm going to remove all those underlines by clicking on underline two times. Then I'm going to change my text into black. Then I have given select all. Control A is for select all. Then I gave times neuro. Then it was 12. Then I want to give some space between my text, and this is not aligned in a equal line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on justify. So this is how I have made a basic formatting of my document. So here there is no any chapter name, page number, nothing has been given, no title. So my topic for the project is female education. So what I want to do, I don't want the word female, I want this as a women education. So what I will do, I will go and replace. So I'll type here replace. So I want female to be replaced as women. So replace all. So in my entire document, 56 places it has found, and it has replaced everything into women education. Close now. So you can see this, the change. I'm going to take this as my heading, heading of my document. I'm going to click little down, give as heading, select this, click on title style. I want this to be in the middle. I want this to be underlined, and my project has been divided into 5 chapters. So I'm going to give chapter name chapter 1 in background information. So here my spelling error, I am going to right click on the word, and right click background error, uh, background information. This is going to be my chapter 1 title. So I want this. So next chapter 2, I'm going to place somewhere here. So this is going to be my chapter 2. Then this is going to be chapter 2 is about mm, review of literature. I will get. Then chapter 3 you're going to give as data analysis, methodology used. Simply I'm giving chapter names. You can give chapter 3 is on current scenario. I leave this as a current scenario. Current scenario. You can change the spelling by right clicking on the word. Next, save. Control S is save. So I am going to save my document as Women Education Project. Project on women education. I want this to be in the downloads, so I'm going to select my. So as soon as I change, you can see my title document has been changed. Next, fourth chapter, I'm going to give as mm, this is going to be my fourth chapter. So this is my fourth chapter, chapter 4. Mm, give something like recommendation. Next, fifth chapter going to be my conclusion. So this is how I'm going to divide my project. I'm giving this chapter names. There is a reason for that. I'll tell you. Next, this is my chapter 5 conclusion. You right click on the word. Right click on the word. Control S is for saving. So I'm showing how to correct your spellings. That is the reason I'm giving wrong spelling. See here again, this is a error. This is in the blue mark. So what I will do, right click, and I want this first letter to be in caps. So I'm going to select, use this each cap. Then I have 4 chapters. So I'm done with basic formatting. So I have some information in the Google Excel sheet. I have analyzed some information in the Excel sheet. I want to insert that into my document. So what I will do, go to insert option. First let me copy the data. So it is in my desktop. It is in my desktop. I'm going to click on folder, desktop, and I'm going to choose the place where I have. So here it is. Sheet 1, sheet 1, sheet 1, Report-1. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy that and paste in this particular document. So you can paste like this. See, I'm simply pasting. You are getting like this, but you cannot do any modification. You cannot do anything here. I mean, you can just, it is just a piece of information. So what you can do, you if you want filter option, or you want to modify the information, or if you want to use any Excel tool in your Word, what you can do, delete this. So undo, copy the table, go to paste, paste special, click on paste special, click on Microsoft Excel worksheet object, click on OK. So see this blue color, see this blue color. When I click on this table, see how it will change. So when I do double click on the table, you can see it will take me to the Excel sheet. So inside the Word, you can use your Excel option. This is the option available under paste special, and you have see now I can see the Excel options. So say if I want to filter any, so I don't want to show all the year in this particular table, so I can just click only two table and show that information. See, I can do that. One second, I can do, or I want only for 3 years, I can modify this. 2000, I want only the recent 3 years, I can do that. So I can use the options available in the Excel by pasting my information as worksheet or Excel sheet. So just press escape, you will come out of, or click outside your document, you will come out of the Excel worksheet. This is how you can paste your table, and you can modify using Excel data, Excel option that you can do by go to paste special. For example, one second, let me copy again. Say I'm going to copy this picture diagram, bar diagram. I want to paste somewhere here. So instead of doing just paste, what I will do, paste special. So Microsoft Excel chart objective. So I'm going to paste like this. So here I want to do some addition. So what I can do, I can double click on the diagram. It will directly take me to the Excel sheet. So here I can change, I can do modification for my diagram by using my Word only. I can make use of, or I can access to Excel option. So once you're done, just click outside of your document, you will get modified diagram. So this is how you can use Excel in your document. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do, I'm going to right click on my diagram. You should get caption. One second. So now I can edit this information, right? So I don't want this option. My table should not be edited by anyone. So what I will do, instead of copying this as Excel object, I can copy this as picture and paste it here. So right click on my, so I'm going to copy this chart. Okay, copy this, select the chart, copy, or you can go here. You have one more option called copy as a picture, so you can as a picture or bitmap, whichever you want you can choose. I'm going to choose as a picture, and I'm going to, okay, now I'm going to paste here. See, you can't do anything, it is just a picture, you can't edit any information, it is a picture. You can do this in other way also. Say for example, here I want to insert the tab table, so select this table, copy, go to your word, go to paste, use paste special, and here you can click on bitmap or picture. So I'm going to click on bitmap, so it is a picture. It won't be in the table format, it is going to be in the form of picture. Now insert caption. I want caption for this, so what I will do, figure 1, table showing number of girls, number of girls. I should want this below the selected item or above. I can choose here. I want this to be below the selected item, so it will show here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to name all my diagram. Paste. This is chart. I will say this is as a chart showing number of girls. Then this one again. This is figure 2. This is the third one. Number of boys, I'll type boys. Let me edit that outside it. So here it is. It should be bigger. Okay, now I have one more where I inserted this. So this should be my 4. Figure 4, 4 table show bar diagram by chart. Okay, so I'm done. So I have inserted pictures, I have inserted data for my project. So I want to give page, layout, page, design. I want to give border for my page. So I'm going to give border for box, click on this. I want dotted border. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to click here. So you can see border for my page. Then I want to give footnote, insert page number. I'm going to give page number, bottom of the page, bottom of the page I want, on top of the page. Insert page number, bottom of the page, middle I want. See, now I got the page number. Then I want my table of content. So I want table of the content here. So how many pages we have? 28 pages. So look, see the changes, go to reference, click on table of content, heading. Okay, so I'm going to select this. So this chapter 1 is going to be my heading. So I'm going to use this heading 1. This, this is my heading. So go to reference. Now go to reference. Reference. Insert table of content. Not showing. Reference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this my chapter name and I'm going to use this heading style. So I'm going to click on this heading style. I'm going to do same thing for my rest of the chapter heading. Then I'm going to reference. I want my table of content to be here. So what I will do, go to reference, insert table. I want my table of content to be like this, or I can use this. See, this is how my table of contents look like. So from page 1 till page 12 is my page 1, till page 11 is page chapter 1. Chapter 2 will start from 12. So let us cross check it. We go to page number 12. This is going to be your page number 12. So here you can see chapter 12, chapter 2. So in page number 12, you can see chapter 2. Say for example, I'm going to move this chapter 2 to little down. So say I'm going to add few more information in chapter 1. So automatically your page 2 will change. Page number chapter 2 will change. See here it is 12. So when this chapter changes to next, all other chapter changes. So how do you update this? Go to this update table, check update page numbers only. So here you can see the updated page number. Now I am going to add one more chapter to my document. Say for example, I'm going to say this is going to be my chapter here only. Chapter 6 suggestion. So I'm going to home, apply this heading. I'm going to give this 15. Now go up, go to this update table, update entire document, click on see. Now you can see suggestion has been added here because I have inserted suggestion chapter 6 in the middle of next after page number 18. That is the reason it has come here. If you insert below here, it will show here below 29 page. This is how you can insert table of content. Now I want this to be in separate sheet. So now your page numbers would have been changed since I moved the text little down. So what you're going to do, you're going to click here, update table number. So you can see my first chapter in my second page. Now I want to I have inserted two figures. For that also I need table. So I'm going to reference insert table of figure. Then I'm going to, this is how my table of figure going to look like. So I'm going to click on OK. So now you can see your table of figure is showing like this. So what I will do, this is not, so the your heading is not formatted in the table uh, heading style. So what I will do, figure 1 is formatted. So your figure 2 is not formatted. Select this, go to home, use heading. Okay, take paint button. So I'm going down. So here also I'm going to apply that. Next, one more figure I have added. So here I'm making it as heading. Now go to your first page, come down. You here I want table of figure. So click on table of figure.